everybody, welcome to my video again. So in this video we are going to discuss about a problem here in geometric progression. The problem goes like this. The product of three numbers in GP is 1000. If 6 is added to its second term and 7 is added to its third term, the resulting numbers form an AP. Find the numbers in GP. So here it goes. Let the numbers in GP be, we'll suppose that the middle one is A, the next one will be AR, and the previous one to this middle one will be A by R. I will explain why. Suppose let's consider a GP here 2, 4 and 8. So here common ratio is 2 here. Now what we are doing here is we are supposing that this middle term is A. So we are considering this one. So the next term to it will be 4 times 2 and the previous terms will be 4 by 2. So 2 here. So this is 4 by 2 here, 8 here. This is 4 into 2. So likewise, we are supposing that the middle one is A and next one is AR and the previous one is A by R. What it does is it gives us value of A directly, because the first condition which the question has given to us is the product of these three numbers is 1000. So let's carry on. Now given that, what is given to us, that the product of these three numbers, that is A by R into A into AR, this is 1000. So here this R is being cancelled out and we are getting cube of A, that is equal to 1000. So 1000 being cube of 10, so we get here A is equal to 10. So this is how we find the value of A here. Now hence the numbers are the middle one is 10, the first one is 10 by R and the next one is 10R. So these are the numbers. Now the second part of the question is saying that if 6 is added to the second term and 7 is added to the third term, the resulting numbers form an AP. It's given the first one, we have to do nothing to this, and the second one we have to add 6, and to the third one we have to add 7. So 10R plus 7, they are in AP here. What AP is? Arithmetic progression. So arithmetic progression is a kind of progression where each next term is a constant number more or less than the previous one. So what I'm trying to say here is, suppose if the first one is A, now suppose the common difference here is 2, then next term will be 2 plus 2 4, and another next one will be 4 plus 2 6, again 6 plus 2 8. So constantly a constant number is being added. In each step we move forward to the next number from the previous one. So that is AP here, arithmetic progression. So this 10 by R, 16 and 10R plus 7, these numbers are in arithmetic progression. Now look here, let's see this progression that I mentioned just before. This difference between 4 and 2 is 2 here. 6 minus 4 is also 2. 8 minus 2 is also 4. 8 minus 6 is also 2. So what this suggests is these three numbers here, they are in AP, simply suggests that the difference between these two numbers and difference between these two numbers must be equal. So that is what arithmetic progression is. So now we can write here, hence as they are in AP, 16 minus 10 by R must be equal to 10R plus 7 minus 16. So here let's bring everything to the right side. So when this Negative 10 by r goes on other side, it becomes 10r, and we have 10r already, 10 by r, and we have 10 plus r there on another side, and we have 7 minus 16 will give us minus 9 here, and this 16 goes on another side, it becomes minus 16, and on left hand side it is going to be 0. Now I directly wrote there, so I think you will understand that. So here 10 by r plus 10r minus 25 equals 0. So here let's take the LCM here. So we are getting 10 plus 10r square minus 25r by r equals 0, or this is simply 5 common here, we can see that here. So let's write 10r in the first place and take 5 common, so it will give us 2r square here, and then this minus 25r, let's rearrange it and bring it in middle, and is 5 is 25 here, 25r, and at last we have 10 here, so 5 common there, so 5 is 10, and this r multiplies with 0 and it becomes 0 here. So this 5 goes on the other side and goes, and it divides 0 on RHS, so 0 divided by any number is 0 here. So let's factorize this to solve it. This is quadratic one, so r must have two solutions here. So let's factorize 2r square minus, we can factorize this as 4 plus 1 here, 2 equals to 0. So 2r square minus 4r minus r plus 2 equals 0. So I'm not talking about how to factorize this. I suppose that you are familiar with the factorization. So 2r here, this is r minus 2, minus common here, r minus 2 here. So we are getting two solutions for r here. So either this 2r minus 1 is 0, which gives us r is 1 by 2, or this r minus 2 equals 0, which gives us r is equal to 2. So we have to find the numbers here in GP. So we have already found the number in GP here. It is as here 10 by r, 10 and 10r. So hence for r equals 1 by 2, the numbers in GP are, now we have 10 by r, so 10 by r means 1 by 2, 10 and 10 times 1 by 2. So this 2 goes up, so we are getting 20, 10 and 2 5s are 10. So for r equals 2, the numbers in GP are, now 10 by r means 10 by 2, 10 and 10 times 2. So this is 5, and we have 10 and 20. So the numbers are same here, just the difference is they are arranged in ascending or descending order. So these two progressions are possible under the given condition in this question. So I hope this problem is helpful to you all. See you next time in my next video. Thank you for watching.